So we continue getting you more details on the latest information and pictures that have been accessed by Republic, and yet another video from the Panjshir Valley that Taliban can be seen warning the Northern Alliance of the resistance movement. Earlier, it was the caretaker, self-proclaimed President Amrullah Saleh saying that Taliban was ambushed in Baghlan and his forces were ready to take them down in Panjshir as well. It was being reported that over 300 Talibani terrorists have been killed in the ambush. There were videos, several of them, that suggested the same, that many of those bodies that were lying and were shown by the Northern Resistance Alliance that were actually claimed to be of the Talibani terrorists. But that picture there on your television screens, and Crispina from the Afghan desk in Mumbai will be helping us to understand, because Taliban is now claiming that they have the armed groups that have reached Badakhshan, Takar and Andarab. These are most of the areas that were reclaimed by the Northern Alliance resistance movement there.
You all the latest updates on how Taliban is making advances and their fight against the Northern Alliance. But I'd like to show our viewers a tweet put out by the Minister of External Affairs. Let's take a look at Dr. S. Jaishankar's tweet here on what he had to say about the entire developments in Afghanistan. And according to the tweet, let me read it for you. He goes on to say that in view of developments in Afghanistan, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has instructed that the MEA brief the floor leaders of political parties. Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Prahlad Joshi, will be intimating further details. So it's the latest development coming here from India that Prime Minister Modi, in fact, has instructed the MEA to brief the leaders of opposition, the leaders of political parties about India's efforts, India's evacuation mission and the developments in Afghanistan. Because remember, India is playing a key role in this entire narrative, because as you know that we are heading the UNSC at this point of time, and Dr. Jaishankar has a big responsibility here. Prime Minister Modi instructing the MEA to brief the floor leaders of all political parties on what is India's stand right now on the entire Afghanistan issue. You can see the visuals on your screen. Here he goes on to say that in view of developments in Afghanistan, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has instructed the MEA brief floor leaders of political parties, and Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Prahlad Joshi, will be intimating further details.
Right there. So it is important to note, especially when it comes to the other political parties, and to keep them updated on India's rescue missions that are being carried out in all of Afghanistan, as to how many of those stranded Indians have been rescued successfully, as back-to-back flights are still landing in India, where we are looking at those pictures that are also coming across as to how Taliban seems to be reclaiming all of those territories earlier that were actually captured by the Northern Alliance resistance movement. So what is being said by Dr. Jaishankar right now, and I'm quickly quoting from that tweet where he goes on to say that in view of developments in Afghanistan, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has instructed that the MEA briefs all floor leaders of political parties, and Minister of Parliamentary Affairs Prahlad Joshi will also be intimating further details on the same. All right, let me go across now to more of our guests joining us here on the broadcast, as they can help us understand of what the movement is looking like. As Mr. K.K. Sinha is with us on the phone line. Sir, good afternoon to you. How are you viewing the current situation with the Taliban claiming that its terrorists are near the Panjshir Valley, but Amrullah Saleh seems to be claiming that the entire area has been cleared of the Talibani terrorists?
Yeah, the mixed reports are coming, but yeah, the mixed reports are coming, especially in the Panjshir area, in the area of Andarab. You know, the claim is that the 300 Talibanis has been killed, and some visuals are also coming where the dead bodies are lying. See, Panjshir as such, as for the defense point of view, when, high mountain ridges, which is only one entry through, through the valley, it is safe provided, you take those heights, strategic heights, and, don't allow anyone to get into it. So there was a report that more than 3,000 odd Talibanis have, come to that area. But in the area of Kapisa is a province which is the smallest province of Afghanistan, which is, it is just joining with the Panjshir in the southern side, 80 kilometers from Kabul. There yesterday, the report was there that, 12 Talibanis have been killed. So if they are coming from the south and through Kapisa, that it seems that, what has been claimed by Ahmad Shah Massoud forces and Amrullah Saleh that seems to be true. But there is a mix. Yesterday I was sitting in your channel only. That time, the brother of Ghani, he was claiming something else. He was telling on national TV in India that probably, the people, Ahmad Massoud forces will join hands with Taliban. So I do not know. There are mixed, and he was claiming it in the national TV. So I do not know what is the actual picture, but it seems like, if you take the history, Panjshir has never fallen, and they will not allow this to fall this
right,
time.
sir.
Because Ahmad Shah Massoud was killed just 2 days before, 9/11. And it was done by that time Talibanis along with Al-Qaeda. So, and thereafter, in the recent history, it has never fallen. So I don't think that he will, ditch his father like this, because he has to take the revenge. And as far as Armullah Saleh is, concerned, his sister was killed in 1996. So he has got personal grudges against Taliban. So these things, I don't think it's going to work out the way, the Taliban are claiming.
Absolutely, because you've been pointing out, Sinha sir, that it was never captured by the Taliban even during their earlier rule in the 1990s, not even by the Soviets or declared earlier, but it seems to be a stage which is set for a decisive battle in Afghanistan's Panjshir Valley. Thank you very much, Major General Sinha sir, for joining us here on the broadcast.